everybody. Today we have been waiting for unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, a smartwatch that combines elegance and technology with luxurious touch. We'll open the box together, see what's inside, and give you our first impression of the design, features, and our experience. Stay with us, find all out in the details. Let's take a look at the box. Backing feel premium. We have here manuals, and here we have the charger. With USB-C, and here we are. Here we are, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, the stainless steel frame and glossy display, and of course we have circle. And we have also the strap. Here we have the black one. It's rubber. It's like leather. Let's you have to like this and this. And to push this button to fix it, and here we are. Let's power it and make a quick setup. Choose country, for example, and while to start, we will try it. Yeah, it's very elegance. And here we are. You have the watch, stainless steel, with the strap, rubber, or you can change it. But now it's working. to connecting to the phone. It's very impressive. And we have the action button, we have the back button and menu, and of course we have circle. If you enjoyed in this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up, subscribe, and drop comment, and thank you.